Everyone thinks the newer car is automatically the better car. But if you're choosing between a CLK 500 and a CLK 550, here's why you should take a second look at the older V8 CLK 500 with the M113 engine. Let's start with the heart. The M113 5.0 liter V8 in the CLK 500 is one of the most reliable Mercedes engines ever made. It's simple, strong, and built to last. The CLK 550s, M273, the 5.5 liter V8s, makes more power on paper, but it comes with a cost. Balance shaft issues, timing wear, and more electronics to fail. The M113 is easier to work on, easier to mod, and has fewer sensors and electronics getting in your way. It's been proven to handle boosts, tunes, and long-term abuse. The M273, well, honestly, good luck tuning it without running into ECU headaches or reliability concerns. And honestly, don't be fooled by the numbers. While the CLK 550 makes more horsepower stock, the CLK 500 feels more raw, more connected, and gives you a real V8 driving experience. Not to mention it's lighter, less complex, and more enthusiast friendly. And it's not a night and day difference with the power. You can easily make similar power in the 500 and it's cheaper than probably the cost of a 550. With a few mods, a tune, exhaust, throttle tweaks, the CLK 500 becomes a true sleeper. And if you really want to go big, you can bolt on a supercharger and push E55 level power. Just being completely honest. Good luck doing that with the M273 without spending a fortune and praying your timing gears hold up. So if you're shopping for a Mercedes coupe or convertible that's fast, fun, and built to last, please don't sleep on the CLK 500. You guys just don't understand how great, how powerful, and how reliable this V8 is. The M113 engine is so proven, and more people need to know about it. Sometimes older is really better.